Good afternoon. Matt and Jill have come to make their marriage vows in the presence of God and of this assembly, the uniting of this man and this woman in heart, body, and mind.
Jillian, I'd be lying if I said I knew you were the one from the start, but the truth is, it didn't really take that long. I remember going to dinner and thinking, man, there's something special about this girl.
Matthew, I can't believe the day is finally here that I get to marry you. There are no words to describe how excited I am to walk down the aisle to you and call you my husband. It's hard to believe that 3 years ago we didn't know each other because I feel like I've known you my whole life.
I'm going to encourage you all to do the very thing that started your connection in the first place. Because each and every day from this day forward, you'll have the opportunity to swipe right.
You're my favorite person to laugh with, adventure with, and try new things with. I'm so excited to begin this next journey with you as my husband and can't wait to see where this life takes us. I love you so much, Matthew. You're my whole world. Love, your Jillian.
Today is special, so I hope that you treasure the memories we make today. I know I will. And for all of our future adventures and memories that we'll make together as a family, I'm excited. I love you so much. Love, Matt. I take you, Jill, to be my wife.
I take you, Matt, to be my husband.
From this day forward.
To have and to hold.
In sickness and in health.
To share all that is to come.
Until death parts us.
Until death parts us.
Jill and Matt, by their promises before God and in the presence of this assembly, have joined themselves to one another as husband and wife. Those whom God has joined, let no one separate. You may kiss in celebration of your marriage. We celebrate.
First, I would like to welcome Matt to our family. Jane, Perry, you must be very proud of the man Matt has become.
Even though it's only been 5 years, a guy like Matt makes you feel like you've known him your whole life. He would literally do anything for you, and I mean literally.
You have a warmth and friendliness that makes those around you quickly at ease. You're thoughtful and kind. Most importantly, you love, support, and bring joy to Jill.
Jill and Matt, always stay true to your heart and always do what you believe is right. Success is not always measured in dollars, but how happy you are with the life that you have created.
And when we finally got to meet you, it was so easy to see why. You've got a great sense of humor. You can somehow tolerate the toxic fumes that come out of that man's body.
Jillian, it's an incredible blessing to find a friend who will grow with and alongside you through so many phases of life. It's an even greater blessing to watch that friend find a love and a partner who will grow with and alongside her for the rest of her life.
Matt, my daughter is now in your hands. Love her, respect her, and do your best to take care of her. Jill, remember, no matter where life journeys take you, you'll always be my little girl.